The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Greene County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Argyle, or 8 miles northwest of Monroe, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Broadhead, Browntown, Judah, and Jordan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.